In this video, I'm going to show you how to dislike a video on the Red Note app if you don't like it or find it a bad video. The process is simple and quick. First, open the Red Note app on your device. Once you're in the app, browse and find the video that you want to dislike. After locating the video, tap on the share icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with several options. From here, you'll see a dislike option. Tap on it, and you'll notice 3 additional choices appear. Select Dislike Author to express your disapproval. And that's it, you've successfully disliked the video. Remember, disliking videos should be used constructively. If you find videos inappropriate or offensive, you can also report them for further review. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to use the Red Note app effectively. See you in the next one.